What's up guys, George here with Sada Tool and Equipment, Orlando, Florida. I just want to do a quick walk around video of this Gas Softwash Kit that we are now offering on our website. Just like our 12-volt soft wash system, this comes with everything you need to just bolt onto your truck or trailer and plumb your hoses to your tanks and get going. This does come with a Honda GX200 engine. We also will be offering the option to get the electric start version on our website. The pump is the AR45, and we also include these 12-inch oil drain extensions, making it super easy to do your service on both the engine and the pump. The tube is the frame is all aluminum tubing with TIG welds. The hose reel is an 18-inch aluminum Summit hose reel with stainless steel manifold. It does come with 200 feet of Hurricane soft wash hose, and we are utilizing the General Red spray gun. The proportioning system is the Hydromixer XL with Hayward precision metering valves. We also include your 25 feet of bypass hose, so you don't have to worry about purchasing that and setting it up. It already comes with it. There you go. If you guys have any questions, let's do a quick walk around here. If you guys have any questions, again, my name is George with Sada Tool and Equipment. We are in Orlando, Florida. Give us a call, 407-438-5888. Thank you.